Hey. Oh. Oh crap. Oh. Hang on. Hey guys, what's up? This is day number 4 in Italy. Sorry for the bad intro, but yeah, this is day number 4 in Italy, and I am on my cousin's boat. As you can see, here, water. Let me shut that window. Actually, no, let me keep that open because this room gets hot because there's no fans or AC or anything. So yeah, we're on my cousin's boat. I'm gonna give you the tour, and then I'll show you me driving it because I drove it earlier with a little bit of help, and I'm gonna hopefully drive it again later. So yeah, I'm gonna give you the tour now. Oh, okay, hold up, the door's locked. Okay. So we've got my room, got a second bedroom here. Altogether, you can actually fit 7 people. So I know it doesn't seem like it, but yeah, you can fit 7 people. So then you just here. You know what? Let me switch the camera around. So you just go up the steps. Got a nice couch area here. Seat. Got a kitchen. Another couch area, table. There's Antonello. Got this beautiful front part, and then you've got like a top part. Here, let me show you the top. No. The top part is really, really nice. Hey, Alessandro. So this is where I was driving from. It's got a bunch of controls and stuff. This is the pier, or whatever it's called. Not pier. You know what I mean. And then down there. Sorry guys, there's a lot of glare. Down there is where we're heading next. Oh crap. So let's head there. Here's some of the other like boats and stuff. It's really, really nice here. But we're on I don't know, we're on an island right now. So that's got here by boat. Just gotta climb down. Give me a sec. Alright, so in order to get to the front part, actually never been here. So side view. Yeah, so in order to get to the front part, you go to the sides. Hey, this is Louisa, and then this is my mom. We're just sitting here.
Enjoying the sun.
Enjoying the sun.
Il sole.
Yeah, that.
La sole. Il sole.
Anyways, it's really, really nice here. There's a boat pulling out, and we just ate.
Now we rest and then we shop.
Shop.
Maybe.
Okay.
Comprare gelato forse, non lo
Okay,
so.
va bene. And then we're gonna
Lui.
go back out, and I'll get pictures of that. So we're at the restaurant, and I just finished having what's called the cat's tongue. It's basically bread, melted chocolate, and then more bread. My God, it's so loud. Anyways,
The bells of church bells. Bells of Procida. The bells of Procida.
my God, out to get gelato, and we're just gonna go. So I'm going to drive the boat now. Well, once we're out of this, place. So,
Oh, sto lontano.
I'm just gonna head up. Okay. Yep. Just heading to the top right now. Ooh, it's very comfortable up here. Okay, va bene. Ooh, the seat's damp. Oh no. We're pulling out now. Holy crap, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. Bye, Procida. That's the name of the island. Wow, look at that sunset. That's so beautiful. That is so nice.
Carmine, take a picture of that.
Okay. Okay, I took the picture. Dun 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 dun. Shaky cam. I'm kidding. Nothing, Ma.
Take a picture of your mother.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
Didn't seem like it.
No, I did. It wasn't a flash. So I'll cut to when we're out of here and I'm driving. Carmine!
Nó mới ra mà chị à. Maroon.
So we're here safely. I drove pretty much the entire way, except the very end and the very beginning, and yeah, it was pretty fun. So yeah, we had a great day, and I'll see you back at the house. Wait, that was actually the Mediterranean Sea that we were driving on, that I was driving on. So I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, look at this. This is the best steak I've ever had. It's so perfectly done. Look at that. It's amazing. I love it.
Molto